the OPRA exam, which is conducted by Australian Pharmacy Council. What is OPRA exam? The Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. Australian pharmacy career is your dream. So let's discuss about the golden ticket that can get you there, the OPRA exam, which is conducted by Australian Pharmacy Council. What is OPRA exam? The Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. This format replaces KAPS from March 2025 and it evaluates your readiness across biomedical, pharmaceutical, clinical sciences. It aligns with Australian pharmacy standards. Now let's discuss about its format. This is a remote proctored exam which is conducted online and has 120 multiple choice questions with no negative marking. This exam costs around 2,190 Australian dollars and has 2.5 hours of duration with no breaks allowed, and it assesses your 5 key competency areas which you can now see on your screens. The interesting thing about this exam is it is conducted thrice a year, which means you have got 3 chances to clear this exam in a single year. Again, the schedule is on screen which you can note down. This exam is for those individuals who belong to countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar and other countries which do not come into the category of a developed nation. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. You must hold a 4-year pharmacy degree, be eligible to practice in your own home country. Other than that, all you gotta do is just complete the skill assessment process by Australian Pharmacy Council. If you're wondering whether my age is allowed or not, I'm a 50 plus, 60 plus, guess what? There is no age bar. You are welcome to take up this exam and practice as a pharmacist in Australia. But along with that, you will need a proficiency proof, which means English proficiency proof. There are many English proficiency proof criteria, examinations, including IELTS, OET, PT, but PT is the easier one among all of them. Once you have completed all these processes, you are eligible to register as a provisional pharmacist. Now comes the internship part. You have to undergo a 1,575 hours of supervised internship. After the completion of 75% of this internship, which is 1,180 hours, you are eligible to take up intern written and intern oral examination. Once you do that, you are a fully registered pharmacist. After completing your registration with Pharmacy Board of Australia, now you're eligible for multiple perks for Australian pharmacists that are there. First one includes great and world-class healthcare infrastructure. Number 2, great pay packages. That includes 60,000 to 90,000 Australian dollars in a single year. That is the average pay package of an Australian pharmacist. Great work-life balance, great quality of life, recognition as a pharmacist, as a professional. It all sounds fairy tale, right? But it's easier said than done. It's an overwhelming process, and if you're confused how to start, where to start, when to start, don't worry. Elite Expertise has got your back. We at Elite Expertise have helped thousands of pharmacists reach their goals, and this time it's your turn. If you're willing to be a part of Elite Expertise, then you can comment OPRA in the comment section and our team will help you reach out to the conclusion. We have a proven track record helping aspiring pharmacists clear their licensure exams in their very first attempt, which includes OPRA, PEBC, PSI, and also PT, which is English Proficiency Examination. Now it's your chance to decide whether you want to achieve your pharmacy dream or you want to just dream. Admissions are open. Register now. Take the first step towards your global pharmacy career. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to Elite Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.